ठीक है. Hello guys, now I explain another questions. Also continue. This question are given. This is a function f(x) equal to n. We find the function are continue or not continue. Otherwise discontinue on x equal to a. So I use first LHS f x minus h equal to 1 x minus h minus a. Here we use x tends to a and x tends to 0. Now we put value a minus h a. Here we use limit h tends to 0. Okay, h tends to 0. This is cancelled. Limit h tends to 0 equal to 1 upon minus h. Here is 1 upon minus h. Okay. If we use 1 upon h, that means here is a infinity and we take minus infinity. Okay. If we use, so here is a LHL. Solve minus infinite. Infinity. Now we find out RHL. 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 Now we find out RHL. So we take fx plus h. Limit h tends to 0, x tends to a equal 1 upon x plus h minus a. Now here we solve 1 upon a plus h minus a. Limit h tends to 0. Why? Because we put a equal to x equal to a. So limit h tends to 0, 1 upon h. So here we take RHL equal plus infinity. So we saw here is LHL minus infinity and RHL plus infinity. That means these are not equal. Then limit are equal, function are discontinued. So I can't find out fx. Here we write LHL equal R plus L. That's not equal. So function are discontinued. If RHL and RHL are equal, then we find out fx. Otherwise, we take LHL does not equal RHL. That means this is a discontinued function. Okay. Then means when we draw graph, we take a figure which is break anywhere. Now there we use question. Second questions are here fx 1 minus cos 4x upon x square 4x equal to 0 and x equal to. Questions are here. We prove function are continue, otherwise discontinue on x equal to 0. So first we solve question fx. 1 cos 4x upon x square. Limit x tends to 0. First we take limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0. So we solve. Here we use trigonometrical function. We know that cos 2 into 2x. Everybody know? So we write 2 into 2x. This is only trigonometry function solution. 1 minus. We use this is a theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here we take 2x upon x square. 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square 2x upon x square. Here cancel. there is limit x tends to 0 are going on. So 2 sin square 2x upon x square. Here we use this type of, we take this type. Limit sin 2x upon x, x tends to 0 into limit x tends to 0 sin 2x upon 2. 2x upon x. So here is, everybody know how we find out this type function. So we multiplying 2 and divide 2. So here we multiplying 2 and here we also multiplying 2. Then this is a final questions. Here we find sin theta upon theta 1. Okay, theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta equal to 1. So we take here 1, here is also 1. Then we multiplying and find. This is a limit. I already explained. Now we find the function fx. Function 1 minus cos 4x upon. When you solve this question, you saw there is limit and there is function are not equal. Okay, I already asked you, told you, if LHL equal RHL, then we find out function. If function does not equal LHL, then we don't find out RHL. That means limit are not equal to function. That means this is a function is discontinued. Okay, function is discontinued. Here is not showing. That means function are not continued. Function is discontinued. So here we use two questions which is are based on discontinued. I think everyone understood. When we find the continue, that means LHL, RHL are equal. Then we find out fx. Otherwise, LHL and fx equal. That means we find out RHL. There are three things are remain. LHL and RHL. Both are equal. Both three things equal. That means function are continuous. Otherwise, function are discontinued. Now, I explain another question. Question are here. Which questions? Let's see. Fx. Fx equal to m mod upon x. X equal to 0. Now we find out function are continue or discontinue. So let me find x plus h, limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0, here x plus h upon x plus. There is final answer x minus h. We put value h, put h equal to. Now we let there is RHL and this is LHL. LHL, that means we use f h minus h. We are limit x tends to 0 and x tends to 0. So here is h minus h upon x minus h. We put x tends to 0, so we get here minus h upon h. Here is minus h, here is h. Now solve. Minus h get plus h. Why? Because it is a mod and here is a minus h. So here is final answer is minus. Let's see. These questions are given and find the function are continue, otherwise discontinue. We take function and solve. First we find out RHL. RHL we take plus position and we solve. There is a 1. Then we find out RHL. RHL minus position. So we solve. Here is a minus. There is mode. If here is mode, that means this is a plus and this is minus. So this is are not equal. This is 1 and this is minus 1. That means LHL does not equal RHL. So function are discontinuous. If questions are here x upon x, that means there is no mode. So question are continue. Here is mode, that means question are discontinuous. I think everybody understood how we find the continue function and discontinue function. Now we solve more questions. X equal to 1, x equal to 0. So first we take x equal to 0 and find the function continue, otherwise discontinue. F x plus h, that means this is a R h. X minus 25. Here is x plus h plus 5. Limit x tends to 0 and x tends to 0. When we put the value, we get minus 25 upon 5. There is minus 5. RHL equal to minus 5. Now we use LHL. X f x minus h, where x tends to 0 and x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Now we solve x minus h whole square 25 upon x minus h plus 5. Now x square plus h square minus 2hx minus 25. Here x minus h plus 5. We put value, limit x tends to 0 and x tends to 0. Final minus 25 upon 5. Here is minus 5. Now we saw RHL and RHL equal. Then we find fx also. Fx and f0. F0 0 minus 25 upon 0 plus 5. So we get 25 upon 5 and minus 5. So we saw here RHL, LHL and function are equal. That means this is function are continue. Therefore, LHL equal fx. That means given function are continue. I think everybody understood how we find function are continue and function are discontinue. Okay. left hand limit another function and right hand limit another function. So questions are here. If questions are this type, this type of question. So we take left hand side limit another function and right hand. This is a function are same, but however we take here, otherwise we take here. So what is the limit? Left hand side limit and right hand side limit. I already explained, but now you say there is x value equal and greater than 5. Okay, what is written here? X value equal and greater than 5. That means x equal 5, x equal 6, x equal 7, otherwise up to 4. Okay, that means this is a greater value. And here is x is less than 5. X is less than 5, not equal. That means here is a 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, etc. So we saw here this is a greater value and this is a lower value. So we take left hand side limit and right hand side limit in this of case. Okay, this would we take, if we take RHL, we saw this is a greater, so we take RHL. RHL, everybody know this is a graph. RHL means this side limit, and RHL means this side limit. But this is not necessary. Limit are going on 0. This is are only going necessary. Limit are given this side, otherwise this side. If limit are going this side, that means this is a RHL, and limit are going this side, that means this is a LHL. I explain again. Let's see. We use this type of question. In this type of question, when we take LHL, then we use upper limit and the lower limit. But why we take upper and lower? This is a final condition. Okay. When we go this direction, that means this is a positive, and when we go this direction, this is a negative. So we use this type of limit. There is not necessary if we going on origin point. If we go here, that means this is a plus direction. If we go here, this is a negative direction. This means this right direction and this left direction. I think everybody understood how we take plus positive plus limit and minus limit. So I explain more questions another video. Okay, I think everybody understood. We find limit, LHL and RHL.